Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're at Fifth International Airport, so we're gonna have to go to Great Rock, so I didn't mean to leave. Oh yeah, that's where I start. I honestly didn't leave. Why do I spend so much Robux on random games? Like, half the time, I don't even film. Training center. Let's see what training center is. Nothing that bad. Wonder what planes there are here. Honestly, I remember when I was a starter coming here, not even know how to play. Just coming here because I thought this is gonna give you the set. This is not what I want. I've been so, oh my god. So, I thought you can get any plane in the game at here. But no, you need to get the stupid respawn Cessna. It's stupid. I honestly wanted to get, this is the why. I do spend, I really wanted to make it so I got a seaplane. I spend Robux on a seaplane so I can get a student pilot seaplane, but not, I get a Cessna. I don't know how to drive these things. They're easy. They're easy. They're the easiest in the game. Like, bruh, when I started, I went to a random airport not knowing there was a training center. Okay? And I tried taking off a normal airliner. Failed because I didn't know you had to do the throttle. Okay? Simple mistakes in life. It can mean I have to go across a whole entire island just to get to my destination. I think what is this? Where's the Waterloo? I don't know how to. Is that Waterloo or Waterloo? I'm pretty sure it's Waterloo. Tell me if I'm saying it correct in the comments. Yeah, 20 subscribers, and I will prank my brother. Hopefully, he didn't hear that. But honestly, gonna start my initial descent. Airport this town has. I mean, literally, they have trailer parks in the area. Are those trailers or houses? I don't know. They don't look like houses. Probably trailers. Going to our initial descent. We still don't have enough speed. Oh, Quamp. Nah, I'm not sorry. No, Cessna, you can do it. You can do it. Yeah, little Cessna. Yeah, my little Cessna. You can do it. Just to show how good I'm landing at the game. Yeah, I can do when I used it when I was I can't land. How do I land? How do I land? Because I didn't know you have to go down to a certain speed to land. Okay. Honestly, I don't understand why it says that. Two dang people love this airport. I love the one. That pattern. So yeah. Because I said I was gonna have to fly the exact same plane. So this is the exact same plane. Skibbity dope dope doop dip geese eat. Because I'm just weird. I have ADHD. It's like I promise you. I promise I don't. I promise. You in the water. Have take off in my little Cessna. Have take off in my little Cessna. Look at this thing. We're gonna go to that tiny little city I see. We're out of the water. We have made it out of the water. Yeah. Here's my little Cessna. Ooh, should we Greater Rock Airport? Many people land here. Not for like videos. Is that a city airport? Antonov? Wait. Wait. Is that an Antonov? Holy crap, I'm coming right in for a landing at an Antonov. No. We're gonna see how much this plane costs. Hopefully it's free. I know it's not free, but I wonder how much Robux it is. Yeah. No. What about here? No. Where did you come from, money? Okay. I need to stop. Should I? Yeah, this is my last time I'm spending Robux. Last time in our video, I'm spending Robux. Okay? And I quit spending Robux. Because I'm just that cool. I'm just not gonna spend another single piece of Robux. If you need smoke. Honestly, this is cool. Having smoke. Kinda got a carry weight plane too. Oh, yeah. I honestly should do this over on Fifth and International. Watch this. Watch this. It's gonna be cool. Just when you look back. Oh my god, I'm gonna spit. Okay. Just gonna listen to myself and just follow my smoke. Oh my god, I went a little too high. So, I smoke off, bro. I honestly have to save this, bro. Bye guys, have a great time.